Thank you, Shelley, for the question of why we choose three words to set the energy for our day or an event like going shopping, taking a test, going to a meeting. This is what is called a platonic solid. This happens to be the tetrahedron. And what a platonic solid means is that all of the angles have the same degree, the lines all have the same length, and the faces are all the same. So they all have the same area. So this is what's called the tetrahedron. It's the first of the platonic solids. When you are setting the energy for your day, draw a triangle and choose a word and then write your word on one of the legs of the triangle. So we talked earlier about maybe taking a test or going into a meeting. And yes, it would be really lovely to be calm. And what would it be like to be focused? And what would another word, you choose the word that would go over here. And the beauty of making the triangle is no matter how you then turn your triangle, you have those supporting words. They support each other no matter how you turn that triangle. So again, choose three words to set your energy, draw a triangle, put your words around the legs of the triangle, and then if you like, you can add color and sound to each of those words. Again, thank you, Shelley, for the question.